The Concrete DIY initiative by the Concrete Shop. Today we'll be making one of our very favorites, creative crazy triangular tray. It looks simple yet very elegant. We hope that you like our first video, and here we will be showcasing a lot of such ideas and such products. This creative concrete kit is like your one-step solution to making any concrete product. So let's get going. Put all the materials on the desk. Open the concrete blended mix. Pour it in the proportion you want. Mix it thoroughly. Add the concrete blended mix additive in the desired proportion. Mix it till you achieve a dough-like consistency. Once the consistency is achieved, here's time to play with the colors. Add the colors in the quantity which will decide the shade of your product. Let's prepare the mold. Add the oil. Brush it thoroughly. Now let's take the prepared mix. Start pouring it from the edges. Fill it nicely. Tap it along the edges and make sure you place it on a flat surface. It's time to demold. Turn it around. Always make sure you start removing and demolding from the edges. Voila! Your product is ready. Just make sure you clean the edges, sand it if required, and yes, now you can use it and flaunt the product you made. Hope you like our videos. Do share and subscribe us.